Hey there, Matt with 1T Fit and Finish. I got another call to fix another tile problem. Let's go see what it is. In my kitchen backsplash install video, I addressed the importance of not covering the screws on the outlets while you're tiling. But I didn't address what happens if you cut the tile too far and the ears of the outlets can't sit on top of the tile. Well, what happens is your faceplate won't be flush. There's a couple of ways to address this. One, what they could have done here is cut the tile large enough to actually fit this cover over top, this faceplate, and then it would have been flush with the wall, but inset inside the tile. Another thing that they could have done is either buy or fabricate a box extension that will go on the outside of this box. But on this instance, because the tiler cut the tile too short here, this outlet wouldn't even sit on a box extension.
Stick around to the end of the video to see how I fix this on a fully tiled wall.
So the homeowner doesn't like the look of a box extension. So what I'm gonna do is rip this course of bullnose off, add another row of tile, and put bullnose on top of it. So here we go.
Because I'll be breaking out this whole row of bullnose, I thought I'd take a moment and show how to break out a single tile. If for some reason you need to replace just one, this is a way to do it. A box cutter is a great tool for removing grout.
When I did my shower demo video, I didn't actually have this tool with me that day. This tool is actually pretty effective at breaking up tile. What this tool is an auto glass breaker. You can pick them up at a lot of the convenience stores or truck stops.
We'll start on this end of the backsplash. This has kind of a complex cut down here. Here are 3 different tools that I use as a straight edge to mark cut lines on tiles: a speed square, a trowel, or even another tile itself. And it doesn't quite fit, so back to the saw. The bowl nose for this job is tapered only on one side. I could extend this run out another half tile and cut a 45-degree return, but it would look a little bit out of place. I've been provided a limited number of bowl nose tiles, so I'm going to do something a bit different. This bowl nose has a slight angle of about 22.5 degrees, which has been rounded over. My saw accommodates that angle. I then take my 120 grit diamond sanding pad and round over the edge. It turns out to be really close. Permanent marker that I use dries with a slightly bluish tint. When dry, the color is a really close match to the actual tile color. On a sidewall where the other installer set the tile, they cut the hole for the outlet too large. This is my simple solution for extending the outlet, so the faceplate will sit flush with the installed tile. I take a measurement, cut a small sliver of tile to fit behind the metal tabs on the top and the bottom of the outlet.
Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for hanging out to the end of the video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for notifications. This is Matt with 1T Fit and Finish. Thanks for watching.